Hello, kumusta kayo dyan? Ako okay lang. Hello mga kadarling, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is your kadarling Budoy. What's up yo? So ayun mga kadarling, today I'll be going to the hospital, but not to work at the bedside, but instead to attend a study day. It's like a training day in the Philippines, no? So today I'll be having 2 study days. In the morning I'll be having moving and handling. And then in the afternoon I'll be having the blood cultures. Yes po mga kadarling, dito po nurses po ang gumagawa ng blood cultures. Aside from doctors, no? So nurses are allowed to do blood cultures as long as we're competent. So ginagawa din po namin ng mga ginagawa ng ibang phleb or phlebotomist, like extracting bloods for blood tests. And speaking of trainings, dito sa UK nga pala mga kadarling, ang training dito free. Ikaw ang magsasawa kasi your manager will be listing you into different kinds of trainings, and there's a lot of trainings to attend to for your professional growth offered by the practice development nurses. So yeah, kung sa Pilipinas pahirapan makakuha ng trainings, maka-avail ng trainings dito, ikaw ang magsasawa. And also mga kadarling, napansin niyo medyo gloomy yung sky, nakakadampen ng mood. Pero stay positive always, no? Huwag ninyong hayaan na masad kayo because of the weather, kasi nakakabaliw yun.
Oh yes!
Anyway, yun lang muna mga kadarling. Nandito na ako sa hospital grounds, and as much as possible ayokong mag-video kapag nandito na ako kasi baka mahuli ako. Chat lang. Anyway, mga kadarlings, have a lovely day. Enjoy the day. And lagi kayong mag-iingat. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat. Thank you for watching my videos, and please like and share for more videos. Bye-bye.